Many reasons exist for why a garage door will stop working. You could observe that your garage door has problems going up or down. It may also climb at an angle, or you may struggle to open or close the door whatsoever. Occasionally, this can be a mechanical issue which requires an adjustment. In other circumstances, you may want to have your electrical system repaired or replaced. Therefore, it is actually appropriate to contact a neighborhood garage door repair business. For this reason, you should think of contacting my company, SF Garage Door Remote San Pablo, CA, in case you are experiencing some of these problems.